Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily create engaging TikTok videos using Canva. First, open Canva and search for TikTok video to find the perfect starting point. You can choose from a blank canvas for full creative freedom or browse through thousands of professionally designed templates. Remember, the ideal TikTok video dimensions are 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels high, ensuring your content looks great on any device. Now, let's bring your vision to life. You can easily upload your own photos and video clips directly into Canva or explore its vast library of stock media. Simply drag and drop your chosen elements onto the canvas. Arrange them on the timeline to create your sequence. You have precise control over each clip's duration, allowing you to fine-tune your video's pacing for maximum impact. To make your TikTok truly stand out, add engaging text and audio. Canva offers a wide range of fonts and text animations to highlight key messages. You can easily add popular music tracks from Canva's audio library or upload your own sound effects to enhance your narrative. Don't forget to use smooth transitions between your video clips, which can elevate your video's overall polish and viewer experience. Once your masterpiece is complete, take a moment to preview the entire video. Watch it through to catch any last-minute adjustments needed for timing or effects. When you are satisfied, simply click the share button and choose to download your video in MP4 format, which is ideal for TikTok. Then, you can easily upload it directly to TikTok and share your amazing content with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.